Welcome to our enlightening exploration of ginger, a spice that's not just for flavoring dishes, but a powerhouse of health benefits. Join us as we unveil how daily ginger can transform your wellness journey in remarkable ways. Ginger, originating from Southeast Asia, is more than a culinary delight. It's a potent medicinal herb, revered in traditional medicine for centuries. Its healing power is unmatched. Let's delve into the secrets behind this powerful root. Ginger is a natural remedy for digestive issues, known for alleviating upset stomachs and enhancing digestion. The compounds in ginger stimulate enzymes, helping break down food and absorb nutrients more efficiently. But ginger offers more than digestive aid. It's rich in gingerol, providing potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This helps combat chronic diseases, reduce stress, and prevent inflammation, bolstering your body's defenses. Incorporating ginger into your diet can revolutionize heart health. It actively lowers cholesterol levels and reduces heart disease risks, making it a cornerstone for cardiovascular wellness and a healthier life. Ginger's natural relief for muscle pain and osteoarthritis is remarkable. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce muscle pain, offering a gentle yet effective approach to managing everyday discomfort and enhancing mobility. Ginger positively influences blood sugar levels, making it a key player in diabetes management. Regular intake stabilizes blood sugar, essential for maintaining consistent energy levels and overall well-being. Boosting your immune system is crucial, and ginger serves as an excellent ally with its antiviral and antibacterial properties. These natural defenses make it a go-to remedy for combating infections and staying healthy. For weight management, ginger is a boon, enhancing metabolism and suppressing appetite. Its natural compounds promote fat burning and help control cravings, aiding in your journey towards a healthier weight. Adding ginger to your daily routine is both simple and enjoyable, whether you prefer it in tea, smoothies, or as a spice in meals. Ginger's versatility makes it a delightful addition to your diet, enhancing both flavor and health. Ginger's health benefits are maximized as part of a balanced lifestyle. When combined with a nutritious diet and regular exercise, it contributes to holistic well-being. Remember to consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice. Ginger enhances cognitive function and may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Its antioxidants protect brain health, making it an essential component for maintaining cognitive abilities in our fast-paced world. The influence of ginger on mental health is profound, with its natural compounds helping to regulate mood and reduce anxiety. It supports emotional well-being, making it a natural way to maintain a positive mental state. In respiratory health, ginger's expectorant properties provide natural relief for chronic coughs and improve lung health. It's a beneficial addition for those seeking natural remedies for respiratory issues. Research into ginger's role in cancer prevention shows promise. Its bioactive compounds may inhibit certain cancer cell growth, indicating ginger's potential as a natural approach in cancer care and prevention. Ginger is beneficial for post-workout recovery, reducing muscle pain, and aiding in faster recuperation. It's an excellent natural addition to your fitness routine, helping improve your overall exercise experience. Starting your day with ginger can positively impact your metabolism and digestion. Implementing a morning ginger routine sets the tone for a day of enhanced health, vitality, and overall well-being. Regular ginger intake can significantly improve cholesterol levels, contributing to heart health. It lowers LDL cholesterol and increases HDL cholesterol, supporting your cardiovascular system and reducing risks. Ginger adds a healthy and delicious twist to desserts. Incorporating ginger into sweet treats enhances their flavor and boosts nutritional value, making them both enjoyable and beneficial for your health. Ginger's cognitive benefits include improved focus and mental clarity. Regular consumption supports brain function and enhances concentration, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine for mental sharpness. Ginger enhances blood circulation, ensuring better nutrient and oxygen delivery to cells. Improved circulation supports overall bodily functions and contributes to enhanced health and vitality. An evening routine with ginger, such as a ginger-infused bath, promotes relaxation and muscle relief. It aids in unwinding after a long day and can improve sleep quality, contributing to better rest and recovery. Ginger positively impacts gut health beyond aiding digestion. It supports a balanced gut flora and efficient nutrient absorption, contributing to a healthy digestive system and overall wellness. Ginger's role in boosting energy levels is significant. Daily intake leads to increased vitality, helping you feel more active and energetic throughout your day, enhancing your ability to tackle daily challenges. For those with autoimmune disorders, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties offer symptom relief. It improves quality of life by alleviating inflammation-related discomfort and enhancing daily functioning. As a versatile natural remedy, ginger treats a variety of ailments. Offering a holistic approach to health, it provides natural solutions for both common and complex health issues, making it a valuable addition to your wellness routine. Embracing ginger is about more than physical health. It's about adopting a lifestyle that values natural remedies. Incorporating ginger is a step towards a lifestyle focused on health and natural well-being. The culinary versatility of ginger is unmatched. Whether in savory dishes, desserts, or drinks, ginger adds unique flavor and health benefits, making your meals both delicious and nutritious. Making ginger a daily habit can transform your health. Regular ginger intake unlocks its full health potential, contributing to a healthier, more vibrant you. As we share insights about ginger, we invite you to incorporate this incredible spice into your daily life. Experience firsthand the transformation in health and wellness that ginger can bring. Incorporating ginger into your diet also enhances your body's natural detox processes. Its cleansing properties help eliminate toxins, promoting overall health and well-being. Ginger's warming properties are not just comforting, they have a therapeutic effect. Regular consumption can alleviate cold and flu symptoms, providing natural relief and boosting your immune system. Ginger promotes healthy aging with its antioxidant properties. These combat age-related oxidative stress, supporting longevity and vitality and contributing to a healthier, more active lifestyle as you age. Regular ginger consumption also benefits bone health. By reducing inflammation, it can be beneficial in managing conditions like osteoporosis, enhancing bone strength and health. Incorporating ginger into your wellness routine also has positive effects on mental acuity. Its compounds enhance memory and cognitive function, contributing to improved mental performance. Ginger's soothing properties make it an excellent remedy for stress and anxiety. Regular intake helps calm the mind, promoting relaxation and a sense of well-being, enhancing your mental and emotional health. Ginger supports liver health with its detoxifying properties. Maintaining liver function is essential for health, and ginger plays a key role in ensuring the efficiency and health of this vital organ. Your engagement here is more than just interaction. It's an active contribution to a community seeking knowledge and growth. Each comment, like, or share expands our collective understanding. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of ginger. We appreciate your time and interest in exploring the health benefits of this natural wonder. Your participation and curiosity make our community richer.